Hi guys, how are you? Vladimir Ribakov here from Traders Academy Club, and I record this video during this sensitive period to talk to you about a very important subject: how to trade Forex during the crisis of coronavirus. For all those of you who don't know me, I'm Vladimir Ribakov, and I'm the owner of the #1 ranked online trading club, the Forex trading club online, Traders Academy Club. You can learn more about our club below this video in the description or in the pinned comment. And as I mentioned in the beginning, in this video I would like to talk about how to trade Forex during the crisis of coronavirus and give you very important essentials tips how to deal with the market the way it is right now. So let's start. The first and the most important thing: trade facts. That means not rumors, not beliefs, not wishes. Now, a lot of rumors would be running every single day online, in forums, in free groups, whatever it is. You would hear a lot of rumors about buy this, sell this, I heard about that, I heard about that. Some banks are investing here, some big names are buying or selling here. Listen guys, that's all rumors, okay? And the bigger the crisis, the bigger the speculation is, and all you can do first of all is trade facts, not beliefs. There are a lot of things I hear during real moves in the market. A lot of traders: I believe this is a top, I believe this is a bottom, I believe we are going up, I believe we are going down, I believe. Believes do not, they do not have their place in trading. They don't belong to trading. And mainly not wishes. I wish it's going up, I wish the trade would just go to my entry so I can close break even. I wish. So stop wishing and start making. If you understand you did a mistake, cut it. If you understand you are wrong, cut it. If you understand you didn't follow your rules, get out. The sooner, the better. And it's much better to cut your mistakes early rather than find yourself in the position when you pray to the market. The next one: do not call tops and bottoms. This is a very common mistake traders do in crises, especially crises. Whenever the common belief is whatever goes up goes has to go down, and whatever goes down has to go up. Now I have some news for you. Up means up and down means down. If the trend is going up and there are no evidences of returning, do not try to be a hero and call where a top will be. Many tried, many lost. Too many tried and too many lost, to be precise. So do not think you are smarter than anyone else. Do not think you can do that. Do not think if previously respected high would be respected as a high again, and previously holding low would be holding as a low again. Levels were built to be broken. What happened in the past, not necessarily what happened in the future. Past levels belong to the past. Future levels are unknown, and that's something that the majority of traders do not understand. And I record that to say to you the truth, to tell you the truth, as hard as it might be to hear. Do not be the hero that calls tops or bottoms. Many tried, many lost and failed. Up means up, down means down. If you try to sell whatever flying to the upside, do not be surprised to wake up one day to an empty account. If you are trying to buy something because it's too cheap, because it just was going down for a full day or for 2 days or for a week or for a month, then do not be surprised if one day you wake up without nothing. Trade evidences and facts, not what you believe is going to be a top or a bottom. Before there is a fact, there is no trade to be traded. And by that I mean wait for your setups. Whatever the strategy you use, whatever the rules you apply, whatever the steps you do in order to find your setup, based on whatever the price action indicators or techniques that you apply, let the market create your opportunity first of all. Do not bend the rules just to create your setup. If your setup rely on 4 things, do not trade if you have only 2 things or 3 things. Wait until you get all the 4 things together. Remember, wait for the setups. Do not create one before the market is ready. And that brings me directly to the next subject. Know your risk. Majority of traders at such periods enter the trade without knowing the maximum loss. If you don't know what is your maximum risk and you have no idea how you plan to do that, you don't have any risk management in plan, don't trade. If you plan to trade, it will be fine. It will be fine method. That means that you just enter a trade and say it will be fine. I'm sure it's going up. I'm sure it's going down. I'm sure it's going to be the top or the bottom. I'm sure. I believe, or I wish and I wish. Then I have a news for you. Most likely it will not be fine. If you are lucky, it will be fine one time. But for most of the traders, it will not be fine. Because one time that you make a lucky call will make you believe that you can make these calls always, but in reality it's illusion, and on the next time you try you will lose. This is a very, very dangerous place to get lucky on calling something without reading facts or evidences, just a lucky call. So if you have no idea how to value your risk, or you don't understand what will be your risk, or use proper tools for that, there are great tools out there in the market for that exactly, or simply don't trade. But you must know what is your maximum planned risk for a trade, for several trades, for a series of them, for a currency, for your hedge plan, for whatever it is. There must be a maximum loss for a trade, for a day, for the week, for the quarter, and the periods you work with. Okay? Know your risk. Majority of traders jump in and they will just it will be fine. Or to me, it will not happen. I will know how to get out. So let me give you here a very, very interesting truth. Okay? You will never know to get out when you see numbers run against you. What you will find yourself doing is praying to, oops, I did a mistake. I hope the market will go back to the entry place so I can at least break even. Okay? Once it starts to go against you, it takes a real courage to get out and cut, and majority of traders don't do that. As simple as that. Plus, if you don't know your maximum risk, imagine what can happen in such volatility when you go to sleep. And missing a sleep isn't a smart idea either. One of the best things you can do in this period is invest in yourself. Read books, read articles, listen to authorities, understand from their mistakes, develop yourself, practice methods, practice how to cut earlier, how to let your profits run. What does it mean to manage the risk? What does it mean to let trades run and gain maximum of the profits? In such case, educate yourself. This is your best time to do that. I will take this opportunity and also invite you to our club, and hopefully I'll share enough of my personal experience with you, and that's what we do in Traders Academy Club, for example. But it doesn't have to be us. It could be any other reliable source, the one that speaks the language you understand, the one that makes sense to you, the one that you find logic with. But don't stop to develop in yourself. Every crisis, every single crisis is an opportunity for something good to happen. Let that happen to you. Develop in yourself. Invest in yourself. It is the best time. People are isolated. People are staying at home. This is your time not to sit and cry. This is your time to take actions. And the first action you can do for your own future is to invest in yourself. Very important thing to be mentioned is do not afraid of help. Majority of people are shy to ask, are afraid to ask. They try to digest the information by themselves. They think I know best, or I know better, or to me it will never happen, or I will find a solution. This belief is wrong. Do not be afraid of asking help. Do not be afraid of asking questions. People don't ask questions nowadays. They are shy because of what others will say, because what they will think about me, or anything, or any nonsense like that. Talk to like-minded traders. Talk to those who understand your language. Follow professionals. Follow professionals. There is no shame in that. If you cannot do something by yourself, call professionals. Most people call electricians to their house to make electricity work. Why? Well, what's the shame of that? Or plumbers, or anything else. You do call professionals to anything else, any other aspect of your life. So why not in trading? If you need help in anything, do that. Ask for help. There are a lot of great help available for you out there online. If it's like-minded traders, like we are doing on daily basis in Traders Academy Club, or if that's signal providers that give reliable signals, or if that's robots, or if that's other communities, if it's stocks, if it's options, if it's whatever it is, there are great helps out there. Do not deal with issues by yourself. Do not cope with something that you don't know how to. Very, very important. And the last thing here, guys, as crazy as it is outside, the first things you can do personally is stay safe, protect yourself and your beloved ones, be responsible, listen to the orders, listen and respect the orders from authorities, trust the doctors, trust the best brains out there. They know what they say, and the belief as we know better is wrong. This belief is what causes the main issues. And be humble and help to those who need it. If it's the elderly, if it's those who require some help, be there, help people. Stay safe, listen to the instructions, respect the authorities, and hopefully this crisis would be well behind us as soon as possible, and we will be back to the lives as we know that. Learn from that and develop yourself. Do the best that you can. The best that you can. Remember, only those who take actions are those who will see results. On those who just wish and just want things to happen will always belong in this category of I wish things to happen differently. Those who take action, those who actually go and do things differently, are those who will see results at the end. So once again, thank you very much for your time watching this video. I send you my prayers and send you my best wishes. Hopefully you stay safe and protective, and everything is well for you and yours in this crazy period. I'm Vladimir Ribakov in Traders Academy Club, and I'll be more than happy and thankful to be able and help with the way I know. And the way I know to help online is with trading. That's what I do best. That's how I speak from pure personal experience, and that's what I know to deliver on the online. In personal life, of course, I can be helpful with other things as well. So thank you for your time watching this video. I hope these little tips make sense to you. I hope you understand a little bit better what to do and what not to do. And remember, do not force trading. If you spot no opportunities, just sit on your hands. If there is nothing happening on the market, do not trade. As simple as that. Thank you for your time. I wish you only the best. Stay safe, be strong, develop in yourself, invest in yourself, do the best you can, and hopefully everything will be fine soon for all of us. Yours, Vladimir Ribakov, Traders Academy Club.